I'm Albert from the Chicanes. Can you just walk us through the process kung paano napili to Miss Ana this question, paano napili si Miss Ana o si Shuvi as the perfect first celebrity ambassador for this product?
Honestly, nung naghahanap talaga kami ng perfect face for Ana I'm not just looking for a pretty face, kasi halos lahat naman sila sa industry talagang magaganda. But I'm looking for someone who really represents the message of Ana which embodies the confidence, the energy, empowered, and nakita ko lahat yon kay Shuvi. Plus the fact that she's very humble. Nung nasa loob siya ng bahay ni Kuya, I was able to see her up close also nung nakapasok kami sa loob. And mas lalo siyang nag-shine dun sa morena skin niya. Super gandang-ganda kami ni RJ sa balat niya. Na talagang nagko-complement sa beauty niya. Diba? She embodies a modern she represents the modern Filipina. And yung Ana it's perfect. Shuvi and Trata as being yung kanyang unstoppable energy na hindi ko masabayan. Pero dati nung bata-bata ako, ganyan din ang energy ko. Ay, time's up. May ganon.
And because this Ana, this product, ano yung specifics for this product na naging perfect for Shuvi?
Well, Ana kasi it's not just a beauty vitamin. Though it's known as a beauty vitamin, but with Ana yung message na we wanted to deliver is that when you take Ana you will feel not just beautiful inside, but empowered as well. So with Shuvi, kahit sobrang dami niyang ganap, sobrang busy, kita niyo naman, talagang dumadating siya kahit walang tulog. And nung nakakwentuhan ko siya during the shoot, sabi ko, nagpapahinga ka pa ba? May tulog ka pa ba? Sabi niya, so totoo lang Miss wala. Parang sa sasakyan na lang siya natutulog kapag pupunta in between sa mga locations kung saan siya may ganap. But I like her energy, I like yung determination niya, na sinabi niya talaga sa akin, Miss Ana, talagang strike while the iron is hot. Ganun na ganun yung pagkakasabi niya sa akin. Kasi ang pag-aartista, sabi nga niya, it's seasonal. So habang gustong-gusto ko ng tao, na ikaw yung gusto nilang nakikita, habang andyan yung mga oportunidad, andyan ka to grab it. Grab lang ng grab hanggat kaya. And andito si Ana to support your energy, your wellness, di ba? Yung cells natin, mas napaproteksyonan. Kaya kahit sobrang busy, still glowing, fresh, and energetic pa rin.
Thank you, Miss Ana. And to Shuvi, congratulations. Ayan. Can you give us naman how was your experience taking this product, yung Ana and how do you feel na parang as you strike all the iron that's hot? Ano tawag ito? Palaki din yung responsibilidad mo as a celebrity and as a influencer.
Yes po. So from 100% yung battery percent, naging 200 because of Ana I feel energized every time I go to shoots, tapings, events, lahat ng ginagawa ko, halos every single day. I make sure every morning I take it talaga para, alam mo yung may energy ako for the whole day. Aside from supplements, I need vitamins talaga. And alam yan yung tito ko, talaga ako, hindi mahilig uminom ng gamot. Pero kasi kailangan ko talaga ng vitamins. Knowing the product is not just like a brand, it's a movement. You know, it gives you confidence that once you take it, you're not just energized, you will feel powerful, you will feel confident and beautiful inside. So parang yun yung yun yung parang tawag nito, strength ba? Parang tawag yan, nababaliw na ata ako. Diba? Kasi hindi natulog. Yun yung parang will ko, drive ko to just finish the day, you know? Kasi I have Ana with me.
Anong pakiramdam na, yung last question ko was, anong pakiramdam na ngayon mas malaki na yung responsibilidad mo to empower women, to influence them to be more beautiful beyond the physical beauty?
Honestly, I feel more grounded and more connected with the people. It's important for me to realize na even if there's glitz and glamour behind my industry, I know that in my core, within my core, I'm still the same Shuvi. I'm gonna be the same Shuvi forever. So yun lang, kailangan ko lang talagang intindihin na connected na ako ngayon sa mga tao and I'm inspiring them. And I inspire people, and to be able to inspire other people, it gives me strength na ilaban pa kung ano, kung may star na ako ngayon, lalaki at lalaki pa tong star na to para mas marami at marami pa akong may inspire.
Congratulations, dear.